Okay guys, we've got to Aldi. I'll just pop in there and see if the yogurts are there. If not, then I'll just buy any yogurts, imomo, and maybe go with Rama banana. We are going shopping today. Anything that you need to know the price of, just let me know. Then if I can, on our next video or next visit or whilst doing something else, I can pop into any of the shops. Dotora price nongokurakidzayo. Thanks guys for those who create my video ku Zimbabwe achitrackidza ka lifestyle ke ikoko. We really missing zvinhu zvekumba. Saka munhu akapinda mushop even akabika muriwo wake nesadza rake akapa vana vake tichiona tinofila kuve tiriko nemi. So thanks a lot to those who are creating content yakadaro. Nini ndiri kungoitawo katuma video kuti mungoonawo kuti ka life ke ku UK kakaita sei, ke ku England. Saka pane imwe video yandagadzira yekutanga yanga iri recycling kuti marara tunomaita sei. This one is about shopping. Zvinhu zviri mumashops nema different shops, ma variety, ma price. Anything you need to know the price of, like I said before, just mention in the comments below. Like the video if you like it, share it if you want to share it, and subscribe. Mungoona content yezvinhu zveku UK kunoko. Takupinda mu Aldi. We'll be there mainly for my yogurts ne my banana. Aldi is just like the little shop that we went into initially. Takada kungofanana. But mu Lidl hatina kutenga edu chinhu. But they are both mainly based ku Germany. But my discount shops emunomu ane ma price ari bo, ane ma products ari bo, and ane ma own brands ari very affordable. So takupinda one of them timboona kuti tinogona kuwana here zvatiri kuda. Yeah, so I'm not getting a trolley, ndiri kutora basket. But my basket eumu ndeyekutakura haadhonzeke. So this is the traffic light system yandandichitaura. So wakasvika pari red unomira panze, unoita queue, unoita the first one per queue. But wakasvika pari green, so it means you can walk in. Izvi zvakatangawo mazuva anaya eCovid. Saka it's green, you can go in. Let's sanitize a bit. Ndakumbokuisai pasi. Unfortunately, my queues are a bit of a letdown. My shops are getting Ghana. Sometimes one is a staff show ma shop. So my queues are not one day. My queues steric, but my price are generally very competitive. Okay, so we want those yogurts, so we'll go straight there. So got 2 kg chicken. Oh, I am a chicken breast, 2 kg. I don't think this is the price because that's saying $10.99 for 2.5. I don't know. I am at 2 kg extra large. Saka. I mean, Congo is a mistake. My thighs 165 mangan. About 6 of them. Get stuff saying nyama chai. Pane inojuroka ni iri normal. Saka aka ka Ceylon steak aka 195 grams, 285. I don't know whether it's bad or not. Normally we don't buy nyama mu supermarket anaya. Tunaenda kuma butcher. Ceylon steak iri thick 569, 400 grams. $445, 700 grams here mince meat. Aiwa, here diced beef. Mince meat irikuita 145. Ari ma grams mangani. 500 grams. Beef and pork mince 285. Right, tasvika pamayogurt papa. Yeah. Inonzi izvo Madagascan vanilla. That's the one that I'm looking for. The good thing is yakazara, so I'll take akawanda. That'll be expired, so 25, so we should be okay. Get 2 more. Those are 0 and we 1 ton. And that one. This is our favorite variety. So normally when we find it, we just buy lots of it. This will probably last us 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, about 3 days. Then fresh. I think I need some wipes. My wipes. And sometimes they've got one of my special buys. Once they are gone, they are gone. This is what the special buys are. Value at specific periods. This is for a jacket, probably this jacket, waterproof jacket, $14.99. My socks, 69p. 69p my socks. Then my aqua shoes to my boots, £3.99. Then twevana, £2.99. Pretty comfortable, plus pretty easy to pick. Those are not good. But a special buys, it could be anything from electricals to homeware to clothing to what you find in at certain times. Then after that, kana chapera. Okay. And most of these in is really seasonal. Most, not all. But otherwise, I need to get myself some wipes. Okay. Okay, 0% perfume. I want this one. And it doesn't get any fragrance. Not that they are bad, but I'm just not used to them. So we'll get a box, then we are good. To end up with counter. My counter normally do I need eggs? Probably. I'll just get mango mazai. These are the ones that I normally buy. So you see, umumurkunzi mune 9. I'll get a $4.99. 9 maombe, $4.99, which is about the price anyway. So Damasai. I'll go for 15 my free range. £1.79. At 15. Mungo assessa waka kuti uno tsokamira semukatu. Oduzotenga akapwanyika. Anenge ari right. Sugar 65p 1 kg. 65p. Right, Tagubuda. I think we've got everything that we needed. Bread, we've got bread at home. Takwenda my counter. Normally my counter I want it on my queue. Because I want my self-checkout. There's munombo one deal. So I don't know about my shops actually. Like if I
please make your way to the tills and the store will be closing shortly.
Okay. So I gotta get the mirror for now. Okay, I think that will pause the video. Then tozonana late. Guys, if you do it, like it passable. Then comment if you want to, if you can. subscribe, more share. Thanks.